Okay, so honestly, there's a little part of me that's a little bit sad because today, as I'm filming this video, the Apple event for September 2024 just finished up. And that means that the third generation AirPods are no more, certainly as far as their website is concerned. So I filmed an extended version, a really in-depth look at this webpage earlier today. But you can check out, if I copy this link and if I paste it in, it's actually going to take me to their new AirPods 4. So this AirPods third generation page is gone, which is unfortunate because as you saw me totally nerd out in the extended version, for those of you who watched that, like I love this website. This is such a cool AirPods sales page. It's absolutely phenomenal. If I click refresh, it's going to go away. And yeah, I know some people archive it, but this is such an animation heavy site that I don't think it's going to archive very well. So this video hopefully helps preserve it. It's filmed on a modern Mac and it's filmed in Safari. So hopefully it is giving a website experience very much how Apple intended. So I want this to be the quick version of looking at the site. I have, again, the extended version where I totally nerd out on all the things related to this website. I have that in a separate video. I'll link to that down below and I'll provide it at the end of this video. But for now, we're just going to look at this website. Unfortunately, I can't show you the initial animation that happens when you first refresh. I did show you that in the extended video. So check that out if you want to see the initial animation. But when you initially load the page, there's a little animation that happens into this view that you see right here. But past that, there's also further animation. So literally this entire thing, hero on down, hero just being the top section of the website. I like this. It's a really extended section where this whole thing, and there's mouse parallax right here too, but like there's different mouse parallax sections, but this whole thing is pretty much just this giant scroll animation. So I have full control, like nuanced control over every frame of this is all controlled by my mouse. It's so cool. Very disappointed that I can't play with this website anymore because it's so fun. Anyway, so we have just all these sections, and so you can see, we just have different headlines and pretty much, yeah, just little headlines that are coming in, talking about some of the biggest features as we scroll down. Here's our adaptive EQ, and then we're in the case, and now we're going to go in, and there's going to be a lightning bolt, and now we're zooming in, and anyway, we have this whole thing. You can mouse parallax that around too. That's so cool. So we have longer battery life, and we have this little animation where it goes from white to dark, and it changes the text color. That was weird. Sorry, my mouse just kind of jumped all of a sudden. Anyway, so we're back here and we're continuing to scroll a little bit, and yeah, so it shrugs off sweat and sprinkles. I assume that means rain sprinkles. When I first read that, I thought it meant like cake sprinkles, but anyway, pretty sure it's rain sprinkles. But anyway, that's the whole scroll animation for this. Yeah, lots of graphic design, lots of stuff going into that. I go into this whole scroll animation a lot more in depth in the extended video, but that is what it looks like. We'll do it one more time. Okay, just going down a little slower. La 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 la. There we go. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Okay, and so then we have spatial audio here. We have these cards coming up, bass, more on a personal note about adaptive EQ. We have how you can mute it. We have FaceTime, how it's styling, and then how you can pinch it to do certain controls. And this is controlled by this a little play pause button right here. So yeah, and by play, I mean you can actually just kind of redo it. So there it is. Anyway, sprinkles, no sweat. So there's a little headline and then it goes into the description. Cool little animation right there. And then this also animates. It's supposed to anyway. Well, you might need to see the extended version for that. I don't know why that's not animating right now. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Sometimes things, it worked a little weird when I first did it too. So I don't know what Apple was doing with that animation, but anyway, that's what it's supposed to look like. Then we have this little gradient here for listening time, how to connect your AirPods. And I like this little graphic, AirPods now connected, a great sense of detection, and then some Siri stuff, and then how to use Find My with your AirPods, and then audio sharing. So, and then yeah, lastly we get into the AR and the personalization and the free Apple Music. And then our comparison chart, which is outdated as of right now. So this is, your final last look at the AirPods 3rd generation website. I have tons of other videos reviewing Apple websites and Apple sales pages for products that were just discontinued. So make sure you look at the channel for that. I have lots more content along those lines coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed. If you'd like to check out the the more extended version of the AirPods 3rd generation sales page, among other products. Again, other products are all over the YouTube channel, but if you'd like to check out that one specifically, click right here. And as always, if you want to check out my free marketing crash course where I cover the new fundamentals of modern marketing that drive awareness, grow an audience, and get people to buy from you, plus some cool web design stuff, go to marketingfornormalpeople.com or click or scan right here. All right, catch you later.